Jalen,
Oh my god! Okay,
did
continue. Real tournaments, they do that? No! I didn't get it! Does that mean I hit that way? Yeah.
Hey, let me show you how a pro does it.
No.
Yes. Let me hit this. Let me hit this.
Okay.
Let me hit this. Alright.
What are you trying to hit?
The purple one.
Pro? Yeah, I know. You don't need that when you're Oh my god! I can do that in here, okay? I can do this.